Here's a quick and easy way to draw a right angle to an existing line at the end point of that line using just a compass and a straight edge. Let's put an arbitrary point out here. Now we're going to set our compass to the distance between that point and the end point of our line, and then we're going to draw an arc all the way around until it intersects our original line. Now we take our straight edge and we connect this intersecting point down here on our line and the point we originally started with, sketch in a line there. Now the intersection between these two arcs and the end point of our line is going to be perpendicular to the original line, and we know it's square.